everyone! Today I will demonstrate on how to clean the living room clockwise from ceiling, walls, and floors using the 3-bucket system. So as you can see, I wear face mask because right now I'm not feeling well and I have cough. But anyway, let's go back to the topic. So first, we need to prepare the materials needed. We need powder soap, chlorine liquid, sponge, floor mop, broom, ladle because it's too heavy as you can see, the 3 buckets with water, litmus paper used for measuring the right amount of chlorine liquid, yellow rugs for the first bucket, light green rug for the second bucket, and brown rug for the third bucket. Do not use pink or blue rugs because the pink rug is for bathroom and blue for mirror or glass. Also, we need the most important thing, the rubber hand gloves, protection for our hands. After that, we're gonna go to prepare the 3-bucket system. It doesn't matter the color of bucket, but the most important thing is the proper labeling. So for the first step, the wash. We need to have clean water with the temperature of 32 to 43 degrees Celsius for Fahrenheit, 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be consist of hot water, almost half full of bucket. Then let's add small portion of powder soap. And after that, we need to stir it. For the second bucket, the rinse. We need to use the clean hot water with 32 to 42 degrees Celsius and for Fahrenheit, 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And for the third bucket, the sanitize. We need to have almost full cool water. Why is it cool water? Because if you are going to use hot water, the chlorine will explode. So make sure you have only used cool water for sanitize. And add 1 cup of chlorine liquid. And after that, we need to stir it to mix. And then, use the litmus paper to measure if you are putting the right amount of chlorine to the bucket of water. So okay, this is correct. If we're going to put 50 quarts million, it's gonna be the light color. But if you're going to use 100 quarts million, it's in this part. So you can put this here. But if the area is affected of coronavirus, you can put 2 cups or more of chlorine solution. So after the materials or bucket system all set, let's start clean bucket system. We're not wasting too much of water. So for washing, we need to stir first, then apply. Make sure press tolerate to avoid stain water from the floor. Then you need to clean
Never thought that I'd fall in love,
wash tolerate also the water.
But it grew from a simple crush. Being without you, girl, never saw messed up. When you walked out, said that you had enough. Nothing a fool. God, I know. Didn't expect this is how things would go. Maybe in time you'll change your mind. Now looking back, I wish I could rewind. Because I can't sleep till you're next to me. No, I can't live without you no more. Oh, I'll stay up till you're next to me. Till this house feels like it did before. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Remember telling my boys that I never fall in love. You used to think that I'd never find a girl I could trust. And then you walked into my life and it was all about us. And now I'm sitting there thinking I messed the whole thing up. I've been a fool. God, I know.